Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LEGO sets for girls that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Friends Pet Accessories Shop Pretend Playset. If you're shopping on a budget but don't want to compromise on quality, this set is an excellent choice. It's priced at just $31.99, making it the most affordable option on our list. This two-story pet shop is uniquely shaped like a dog, which adds a fun and whimsical touch to its design. Inside, you'll find interactive features like a grooming station and even a conveyor belt to soap, wash, and dry your toy animals. The set includes 3 mini dolls and adorable figurines of a cat, dog, and rabbit, perfect for imaginative animal lovers. The design and build quality are impressive for its price. The bright colors and detailed interiors are engaging, and the moving parts, like the spinning bow or adjustable eyebrows on the dog-shaped shop, make it interactive and fun. However, with only 1.32 pounds of weight and a simple layout, this set is more suited for younger kids who are just starting with LEGO. It's easy to assemble, and the instructions are beginner-friendly. While this set may lack the complexity and scale of some of the others on this list, it's an excellent entry-point LEGO set. It's ideal for younger kids age 6 and up who love animals and want to role-play scenarios like grooming and pampering pets. The downside? Older kids or advanced builders may find it a bit too simplistic. But overall, the Friends Pet Accessories Shop delivers solid value for the price and makes a great starter set. Coming in at number 4 is the Wicked Elphaba and Glinda Figures Building Toys. Priced at $41.49, this set is perfect for fans of the Wicked movie or musical. It features 2 posable, buildable figures of Elphaba and Glinda, each standing over 5 inches tall. With 558 pieces, this set is an exciting project for older kids aged 10 and up. Plus, it even includes a QR code that unlocks the iconic Defying Gravity song and exclusive LEGO Wicked content, which adds an extra layer of immersion for fans. The design of the figures is detailed and true to the characters, from Elphaba's broom to Glinda's crown and purse. The build quality is robust, and the set is a great display piece once assembled. The included accessories allow kids to recreate iconic scenes or invent their own adventures, making it not just a building set, but a springboard for imaginative play. However, the set is relatively small and might not feel as substantial compared to larger LEGO builds. This set is best suited for older kids or collectors who are fans of the Wicked franchise. While it's not as versatile as other LEGO sets on this list, its niche appeal and unique features make it a standout option. On the downside, it's less interactive than some of the other sets, and younger kids may not find the posable figures as engaging. Still, if you're looking for a LEGO set with a touch of Broadway magic, this is the one to get. At number 3, we have the Friends Friendship Camper Van Adventure Toy Building Set. Retailing at $52.99, this set is perfect for kids who love exploring the outdoors or playing out camping adventures. It includes a colorful camper van with a fully detailed interior, 3 mini dolls, and even a ferret figure. The set is packed with fun camping-themed accessories like a bike, picnic table, and even a flushing toilet and outdoor shower. The design of this set is delightful, with plenty of attention to detail. The camper opens up to reveal areas for cooking, sleeping, and relaxing, offering a lot of play value. The build quality is sturdy, and the instructions are clear, making it a rewarding project for kids aged 7 and up. The vibrant colors and thoughtful accessories make the camper van feel like a dynamic and complete playset. This set excels at sparking imaginative play and storytelling. Whether kids are pretending to cook a meal in the van or setting up a camping scene under the stars, it's an engaging experience. On the downside, it lacks the depth of detail found in more advanced sets, so older kids or experienced builders might find it less challenging. Still, it's a fantastic choice for young adventurers who love LEGO and the great outdoors. At number 2, we have Disney Frozen Elsa's Frozen Princess Castle Building Toy Set. While the price is not currently available, this set is a magical addition for any Frozen fan. Designed for kids aged 4 and up, it features a Frozen-inspired castle, Elsa and Anna mini dolls, and adorable animal figures like Bruni and a baby reindeer. The castle includes a spinning dance floor, a fireplace, a feeding area, and other interactive elements like a slide and a treasure chest. The design is charming and vibrant, with nods to the Frozen movies that fans will adore. The build quality is sturdy, and the set is easy to assemble, making it perfect for younger builders. The Lego Builder app provides intuitive instructions, allowing kids to zoom in and rotate models in 3D. This set encourages imaginative play, as kids can recreate movie scenes or invent new adventures with Elsa and Anna. The Frozen Castle set is ideal for younger children and beginners who love Disney princesses. However, advanced builders may find it too simplistic. While it doesn't offer the complexity of higher-ranked sets, its charm and accessibility make it a fantastic option for Frozen fans and younger kids looking to dive into the world of Lego. Finally, at number 1, we have the Disney Lilo and Stitch Beach House toy. Priced at $65.56, this is our premium pick, and for good reason. It's an absolute dream for Lilo and Stitch fans. With 834 pieces, this set features a stunning beach house with 6 rooms, a rooftop observatory for Stitch's spaceship, and a host of Easter eggs from the beloved movie. It also includes 5 minifigures: Lilo, Stitch, Nani, David, and Mr. Bubbles. The design of the beach house is detailed and immersive. From surfboards to a mini guitar and record player, every detail has been carefully thought out. The build quality is exceptional, and the Lego Builder app ensures that even younger builders can enjoy the process with its 3D zoom and rotate features. Once completed, the set is just as fun to play with as it is to display. This set offers excellent value for its price, providing hours of building enjoyment and endless imaginative play. It's perfect for kids aged 9 and up who love the Lilo and Stitch movie or want a versatile, detailed playset. On the downside, the price may be a bit steep for some, but if you're looking for a high-quality Lego set that combines creativity, nostalgia, and playability, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.